Hello students, welcome to class 8 Max. Let's see chapter 7 information processing. Packing, you know what is mean by packing. When we are packing something in a box or suitcase or a cupboard, first we have to decide how we are going to pack. How many items can be fitted into that fixed space. A good example of this is before you go to school, you try to pack everything you need like notebooks, books, geometry box, sports equipment, food and water bottle into your school bag. At the same time, you are very clear that your books should not be damaged and you are able to carry everything yourself. So let's move to exercise 7.4. Find the best buy of the following purchase. The first question is a pack of 5 chocolates bar for rupees 175 or 3 chocolate bars for rupees 114. So you have to find which is best to buy. Item is chocolate bar. Cost per packet is 175 and number of items in the packet is 5. And next one option they given is cost is 114, number of item is 3. Here the total cost per packet is 175 and number of items is 5. So 5 items is equal to 175 means you have to find out for the cost of 1 items. That means you have to divide 175 divided by 5, which is equal to 35. And here number of items in a pack is 3 and the cost is 114. Therefore, the cost of 1 item is equal to 114 by 3, which is equal to 38. So, if you compare this both 35 and 38, 35 is less. Therefore, best buy is a pack of 5 chocolate bars for rupees 175. And the same way, the next question is eggs. A basket buy one and half dozen of eggs for rupees 81 and Aruna buy 15 eggs for rupees 64.50 paisa. So item is eggs and the total cost is rupees 81. Quantity bought is 1 and half dozen. And then we have to find out the cost per egg. So 1 dozen is equal to 12. Then half dozen is equal to 6, which is equal to 18. So quantity bought is 18 numbers of eggs. So you have to find out for the cost of 1 egg, which is equal to 81 by 18. 9 table, 9 nines are 9, 2s are, and then if you divide 9 by 2, 4.5. And next one is Aruna buy 15 eggs for rupees 64.50 pies. So you have to find out the cost of 1 egg, which is equal to 64.5 by 15. So in 3 table, 3 5s are, then 3 2s are, 3 1s are, then 3 5s are. Again 5 table, 5 4s are, 5 3s are. So the cost of 1 egg is 4 rupees 50 pies. And for the next one, that is for the item 2, the cost of 1 egg is 4 rupees 30 pies. So if you compare the rate, 4 rupees 30 pice is less than 4.5. Therefore, best buy is 15x for rupees 64.5. Next question, using the given picture, prepare a price list. So the given fresh sweet and fresh sweets and bakery product 20% off. 1 kg of laddu is equal to 245. Chocolate cake 1 kg is equal to 550. And healthy sliced bread is 1 packet is equal to 20 rupees. Write down product quantity required, regular price, then discount rate, special price, saving price and special price for the cost. So laddu 1 kg is equal to 245 rupees and the quantity we required is only half kg and 20% offer price means you have to find out what is the discount. So to find out the discount amount, 20 by 100 into the cost. So if you cancel here 0 and 0 and 2 table 5 times and in 5 table 49. So the offer price is 49 rupees. That is, you have to subtract the 49 from the regular price. Therefore, the special price you are going to pay is 245 minus 49 is equal to 196. So, the special price after discount is 196. We need only half kg of laddu. Therefore, into 1 by 2. So, if you cancel here, 98. So, half kg of laddu is equal to 98 rupees. Next one is chocolate cake. 1 kg of the cake is equal to 550 and we need 1 kg. What is the discount amount? That is 20 by 100 into 550. 0, 0. Then the 0 and 0 cancel. So 2 into 55 is equal to 110. Therefore, you can reduce 110 from 550 which is equal to 440. Therefore, the special price for the cost is equal to 440 into 1 kg of the cake we need. Therefore, into 1 is equal to 440 rupees. And then bread. 1 packet of bread is 20 rupees. We need 6 packets. So, first you have to find out what is the discount value. That is, here they given 20% of discount. Therefore, 20 by 100 into 20. 0 and 0. The 0 and 0 cancel. So, 2 2s are 4. So, 20 minus 4 is equal to 16. That means 1 packet of bread after discount is 16 rupees. We need 6 packets of bread. Therefore, 16 into 6 is equal to 96. Therefore, the total cost we need to pay is rupees 634 and the cost of saving price is equal to 163. Next one, using the given picture, prepare a price list. Suppose you plan to buy 1.5 kg of apple, 2 kg of pomegranate, 2 kg of banana, 3 kg of mango, 1/2 kg of papaya and 3 kg of onion, 1.5 kg of tomato and 1 kg of carrot in shop 1. How much you will save compared to shop 2? So here in shop 1, they offer 15% discount on all items. But in shop 2, they reduce the amount. You have to prepare a bill for shop 1 and shop 2. Apple 1.5 kg, We require 1.5 kg of apple. 1 kg of apple is equal to 168. Therefore 168 into 1 by 2. That is 168 into 2 ones are 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 by 2. So if you cancel this one, 84. 4 3s are 12. Carry 1, 24, 25. Therefore the cost of 1.5 kg of apple is 252 rupees. But the offer price we have to find out, that is 15% offer. 15 by 100 into 252. 5 table, 5 3s are, 5 20s are, then 2 table, 2 10s are, 2 1s are, 2 2s are, 2 6 are. Again with 5 table, 2 table, 2 5s are, then 63, which is equal to 63 into 3 by 5. 63 into 3 is 189. 189 divided by 5. So 5 3s are 15. Then carry 3. 5 7s are 35. And then 5 8s are. Therefore amount price offer is equal to 252 minus 37.8, which is equal to 214.20. And next one, 2 kilogram of pomegranate. Pomegranate 1 kg is equal to 82 rupees. We need 2 kg. Therefore 82 into 2 is equal to 2 2s are 4, 164. So we need to find out the percentage of a price, that is 15 by 100 into 164. 5 table, 5 3s are, 5 20s are, then 2 table, 2 10s are, 282. Then again 5 times 41, which is equal to 41 into 3 by 5. 312 divided by 5, which is equal to 24 rupees 60 paisa. Therefore the offer price is equal to 2 kg is 164 minus 24.60 is equal to, so if you subtract you will get 139.40 paisa. And next one is, we need 2 kg of banana. Here 1 kg of banana is rupees 45 they given. We need the quantity is 2 kg. Therefore 45 into 2. 2 5s are 10, carry 1, 90. So we need to find out the offer value, that is 15 by 100 into 90. 0 and 0 cancel. 5 table, 5 3s are, 5 2s are. Then 27 divided by 2, which is equal to 2 1s are, 2 3s are, so 13.5. So the offer price after discount is 90 minus 13.50, which is equal to 76.90. And then the next requirement is 3 kg of mango. Here 1 kg of mango is rupees 39, but we need the 3 kg. Therefore 39 into 3, 3 9s are 27, carry 2, 3 3s are 9, 10, 11. So 15 by 100 into 117, which is equal to 17.55 paisa. Therefore 117 minus 17.55 is equal to 99.45. And then the requirement is 3 kg of onion. Here 1 kg of onion is equal to 22. We need 3 kg. Therefore 22 into 3, which is equal to 66. Therefore discount price is equal to 15 by 100 into 66 equal to 9.90. Therefore 66 minus 9.90 is equal to 56.10. And next requirement is tomato. 1.5 kg of tomato. Here 1 kg of tomato is rupees 46. So we need 1.5 kg. Therefore 46 into 3 by 2, which is equal to 69. 15 by 100 into 69 is equal to 10.35. Therefore 69 minus 10.35 equal to 58.65. Next one is half kg of papaya. Here 1 kg of papaya is 36 rupees, but we need only half kg. Therefore 36 into 1 by 2, which is equal to 18, and discount offer is 15 by 100 into 18, which is equal to 2.70. Therefore 18 minus 2 points equal to 18 minus 2.70 is equal to 15.30. And then last one is 1 kg of carrot. 1 kg of carrot is equal to 19 rupees. And therefore the discount offer is 2.85. 19 minus 2.85 is equal to 16.15. So if you total all these values, you will get 6 rupees 675 and 75 pice. So if you see this shop too, they didn't give any discount, but they reduced the prices. So if you see here, apple Simla, 1 kg of apple is regular price is 168, but they reduce the price to 148. So we prepare a bill for shop 2. First one, 1.5 kg of apple. So apple, 1 kg of apple is 148. We need 1.5 kg. Therefore 148 into 1 by 2, which is equal to 148 into 2 into 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 by 2. So if you cancel 7, 4. 74 into 3. 3 4s are 12. Carry 1. 3 7s are 21. 21 plus 2 is 22. And next one is 2 kg of pomegranate. So 1 kg of pomegranate value is 75. Therefore 2 kg is equal to 75 into 2. 75 2s are 150. And next one, 3 kg of mango. 1 kg of mango is 35 rupees. So we need 3 kg, 35 into 3, which is equal to 105. And then half kg of papaya. 1 kg of papaya is 30 rupees. We need only half kg, therefore 30 into 1 by 2, which is equal to 15. And next one is 3 kg of onion. Onion 1 kg is rupees 21. We need 3 kg, which is equal to 63. And next one is 1.5 kg of tomato. 1.5 kg of tomato. Tomato 1 kg is 38 rupees. Therefore 38 into 3 by 2, which is equal to 19 into 3. 57. And then 1 kg of carrot. Carrot 1 kg is 17. Therefore 17 into 1 is equal to 17. Then total. Total is equal to, if you add all the values, you will get 715. Your question is, using the given picture, prepare a price list, and then how much will you save compared to shop 2? So, shop 1 total equal to 675.75, and shop 2 is total amount is rupees 715. So if you minus 675 rupees and 75 pies from 715, we can save rupees 39.25, that is rupees 39 and 25 pies in shop 1 compared to shop 2. And then your fourth question, do as homework and submit your classwork note to G14 room without fail.